Hey mama, welcome back to week 2 of our 40-week prenatal journey. This week, we're gonna settle in here because that's exactly what your body is doing right now. It's adjusting, stretching, expanding, and you deserve a space to connect with it fully. So let's hop into it. Settle into Sukhasana with your eyes closed, palms open on your knees, ready to receive light, warmth, and understanding. Focus on how your body is feeling right here, right now, with a deep breath in through the nose and a deep sigh out the mouth. Come to your mat, bring your knees wide, and sink your hips back to your heels for child's pose. Let your forehead gently rest on the floor or a block. Arms stretched forward, palms relaxed, or gently pressing into the mat. Take a slow breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Let your body know it's safe to settle in here. Continue to focus on your breath. Gently rise to tabletop now, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. On your inhale, drop the belly, lift your gaze, tailbone rises. As you exhale, round through the spine, tuck your chin, and draw your navel gently in. Take a few rounds here at your own pace. Gently focus on movement to breath here. Moving into downward dog, tuck your toes under and lift your hips to the sky. Feet are hip width apart, heels gently reaching down. Hands are firm, pressing through all 10 fingers. Let your head be heavy. Bend your knees as much as you need. Focus on lengthening your spine and reaching your tailbone to the sky. As you continue to breathe here, pedal out your feet. Focus on lengthening your side body and the stretch that you feel in the back of your legs. On an inhale, lift your left leg up to the sky and step your foot forward between your hands for low lunge. Lower your knee down and untuck your toes. Stack your front knee over your ankle. Arms can stay on the mat or rise up overhead, whatever feels good for you today. Feel the grounding, feel your foundation firm and strong. Keep your gaze soft. On your next inhale, tuck your back toes and lift your knee. Spin your back heel down for warrior 2. Front heel lines up with back arch. Arms extend long in opposite directions, palms down. Root through both feet evenly. Look over your front fingertips. Feel steady here in your foundation. You are growing life right now, and you're standing strong in it. Continue to gaze over your front fingertips and breathe gently. On an exhale, lower your front forearm to your thigh. Extend your top arm over your ear for extended side angle. Feel that length from back heel to fingertips in one solid line. Breathe into your side body. This is the space that helps make space for baby, for your breath, and for you. On an exhale, come back up to warrior 2. Take a nice deep inhale. And as you exhale, cartwheel your hands back down to low lunge. Inhale, keeping your gaze forward, come up into forward fold. Step your feet hip width apart. Let yourself fold gently here, knees bent as needed. Keep your arms hanging, or you can cradle opposite elbows. Just let it feel soft here. Let it feel like release. Placing your hands on the mat, come up into a halfway lift. Inhale. As you exhale, turn your toes slightly out, bend your knees to lower into your squat, Malasana. Bring palms to your heart center. Elbows press gently into your knees. As you inhale, lengthen through your crown, through your spine. This pose supports your pelvic floor and deepens your connection to the earth beneath you. As you sit here in stillness, focus on your baby. Focus on that precious life growing and expanding, and your body growing and expanding with your baby. As you exhale, press into your feet and rise up slightly, then fold again into forward fold. Step back to downward facing dog. Let it feel familiar now. Let your breath lead you. We're going to repeat on the other side now. Inhale, right leg up overhead. As you exhale, step your foot through in between your hands for low lunge. Lower your bottom knee. Gaze forward here. Feel a strong foundation. Make any adjustments that are needed. And feel the opening in your hips. Tuck your back toes, lift your knee, and wheel your back foot down for Warrior 2, lining your front heel with your back arch. Keep your legs steady here, your front knee directly over the toes. Push arms out in opposite directions, palms facing down. Keep your gaze soft over your front hand. Feel the strong, stable legs beneath you, holding you and your baby. Take deep breaths here, focusing on expansion. As you exhale, place your front forearm on your front thigh for extended side angle. Bring your top arm up overhead by your ear, keeping your back leg and top arm in one straight line. Feel the length in your legs, your side body, your arms, your back, and your shoulders. Breathe into your side body here. On an inhale, come back up to Warrior 2. Take one more inhale in, and as you exhale, windmill your arms back down for low lunge. Inhale, gaze forward and come up into forward fold. Let everything hang here. Let gravity do the work. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step your right foot back for low lunge. Inhale. Windmill your back foot down and come up into Warrior 2, keeping a steady foundation here. Breathe into your body. Coming into Trikonasana or triangle pose, straighten your front leg, lean your front body forward, and exhale your left arm down to your shin or to the mat, extending your right arm up overhead. Feel the opening in your hips here, in your pelvis, and in your back. Keep a steady foundation. Feel the length in your side body. Coming back up into Warrior 2, bend your front knee and come back up. Windmill your hands down. Exhale. Moving into pigeon pose, slide your front leg forward, knee on the mat behind your wrist. Back leg extends on the mat. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Feel the opening in your chest, in your pelvis and hips. And as you exhale, fold over gently. Breathe into this pose here. Feel the opening in your hips. Meet me back up into forward fold. Untuck your back toes. Lift your back knee and come into low lunge. Keep your gaze forward and inhale, step forward into forward fold. Switching sides now. Inhale to a halfway lift. As you exhale, step your left foot back for low lunge. Keep your gaze forward and your hips open. On an inhale, move into Warrior 2. Align front heel to back arch. Windmill your arms open and rise into Warrior 2. Bend into your front knee, strong and steady. Root through both feet like you're growing roots in the mat. Engage your legs and your core here. Transition now to triangle pose. Straighten your front leg, shift your hips back as you reach forward with your hand. Bring the hand to shin, block, or the floor. Lift your left arm up to the sky, shoulder stacking. Keep both legs strong here. Reach long through the crown of your head. Your gaze can be up or down, whatever feels good for you today. Feel expansion here from your feet to your fingertips. Transition back into Warrior 2 by bending your front knee and windmilling your hands up on an inhale. Exhale, windmill your hands down to low lunge and transition into pigeon pose. Lower your knees down and come into pigeon. Right knee bends and comes forward. Left leg extends long behind you. Square your hips as much as feels accessible today. Inhale tall. And as you exhale, full forward over your front leg. Let your head and your shoulders melt here, keeping your arms relaxed. This is your place to soften. There's no rush, there's no pressure. Let everything go here. On an inhale, walk your hands back up. Tuck your back toes and come back into low lunge. Inhale, step forward to forward fold. Feel the length and your breath expanding your spine and your hamstrings here. You might feel like your spine has gotten longer during this practice. On an exhale, come to a seat. Transitioning to wide-legged, seated forward fold. Spread your legs into a wide V shape. Flex your toes gently back towards you. Place your hands between your legs and inhale to grow tall. As you exhale, hinge forward from your hips. Stay lifted or bring your forearms down if that feels good for you today. Try to keep your spine in one long line. On an inhale, walk your hands back up. Transition now to bridge pose. Lie back and bend your knees, feet flat, hip width apart. Keep your arms by your sides, palms down. We're going to bring some gentle pelvic awareness now. As you inhale, crest through your feet and lift your hips. As you exhale, lower slowly. We're going to repeat this for a few more rounds. On an inhale, roll up one vertebra at a time. As you exhale, slowly lower your spine back down like a gentle roll. Keep your awareness here on your pelvis, gently opening it and closing it. One more time. Gently bring your knees towards your chest. Grab the outsides of your feet or behind the thighs if that's more comfortable. Ankles over knees. Rock gently side to side for happy baby. Give yourself a little smile here. You and your baby are safe. As you exhale, move into side lying Shavasana, our final resting pose. Roll to your side, support your head with your arm or a pillow. Place a pillow between your knees if needed, and just let everything go. Close your eyes. As you rest here, let the love you've poured out slowly refill. You are enough, you are supported, and you are so deeply loved. When you're ready, come back up into a seated position. Take a moment to notice your breath. On an inhale, raise both arms up overhead. As you exhale, bring prayer position at third eye. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. Let me know how your pregnancy is going. I'd love to connect with you. Until next week, namaste.